Welcome to Shree RSC Tutors. So today we will learn about subtraction of like fractions. So first of all, let us understand what do we mean by like fractions. So like fractions are nothing but those fractions which have same denominator. And as you can see, we are having this question in which we are having two fractions. The first fraction is 10 over 7 and the second fraction is 4/7. That means we can see that both of the fractions are having same denominator. That means both of them are like fractions. Now, today we will also learn how we can subtract two like fractions together. So, the rule is very simple. First thing is we will keep the denominators same like this because 7 is the denominator for both of them. So we will keep the denominator same and we will simply do the calculation with the numerator. So basically we are doing 10 take away 4. That means if we do 10 take away 4, we will get 6 and the denominator will stay the same. That means the answer will be 6/7. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.